Welcome to the Jabra stand here, and I'm very pleased to show you a brand new product we have just launched to the market, Panacast 40 VBS. And this particular product is designed for a small huddle spaces to maximize and optimize the meeting experience for people joining a small meeting room. And here at this part of the booth, you will see a very similar setup of a typical huddle room and small room meeting space. So you can see here we have 4 colleagues sitting on a small table in this tight meeting space. And the challenge is how can a video feed capture all of them in the view without anyone being left out of the picture in the blind spot. So you can see the 4 chairs around the table, and the table are against the wall, but they, in the video feed, are very equally represented for each of the 4 participants. And none of them are being left out of the picture, even though they are sitting right next to a wall at the very corner of the room. And here you can see the Panacast 40 VBS. That is where the magic happens. The small video bar delivers 180-degree field of view to give this inclusive meeting experience. The device is very flexible in a way to be able to have different deployment options. So as a customer, whether you are choosing to deploy a Microsoft Teams meeting room or a Zoom Rooms experience, or even just enable BYOD, allow your employee to bring their own PC to come into the meeting room, connect with the camera and the speaker and the mic to be able to have an online meeting. This is all available through this device. And the other thing we would like to highlight on the device is also the flexibility of the configuration. So you can see a touch controller on the table, but that is 100% optional. So if you have an interactive touch screen in the room, the camera, the Panacast 40 VBS bar by itself can work with the interactive touch screen, and the touch controller is totally optional. And we also have an additional accessory this time with an easy clean cover. So in addition to the default fabric cover comes with the device, we now have an additional cover that can be easily sanitized and cleaned if in the environment the hygiene is a top priority. So there you have it. This is the Panacast 40 VBS we just brought to the market. And thank you very much for visiting us at the Jabra booth.